Hey everyone, here's what under 700K gets you in one of Cameron Park's most desirable neighborhoods. Let's take a look. All right, what's going on, everybody? I am Joubert Caston, local real estate advisor in town, but most importantly, a very proud girl dad. Today, I am inside what under 700K could get you in one of Cameron Park's most prime neighborhood. I am in the North View area of Cameron Park, and this house is one to take advantage of. Today, I am inside one of Cameron Park's most established and prime neighborhoods, and I'm in a house that's under 700K. Now, this house is 4 bedrooms, 2.5 bathrooms. It's very spacious. I do like the open concept of it. I'm inside the kitchen, as you guys can see. One plus that you get with this house as compared to a lot of the other houses in the greater El Dorado County area. A lot of homes have now switched over to electric burners, but this one comes with a grass top. This is a vacant home, so when you come and see it, think about what you would do to it. You get to get your creative spin to it. One huge plus about this house is that it has 2 really large bedrooms. I would call them 2 master suites. One of them leads into kind of like a Jack and Jill style bathroom, and the other one is a true master suite with a jetted tub and etc. You've got a couple different rooms in the living space area. You can use one as a living room area, another one as a dining area, and then you have like another area that you can kind of convert to an office space, but you can kind of do what you want with this open layout and one of Cameron Park's most prime neighborhoods. You go outside definitely needs some love, not gonna lie to you. Needs a little TLC, baby, yes indeed. But this is one of those yards that has the tier system going up where, you know, if you have a creative mind when it comes to landscaping, it'd be good to have some kind of garden, have some kind of nice floral thing going on with multiple different flowers. This nice tier system definitely allows you to do that. And it has a feature where you can walk up the stairways to another flat level where you can chill. They've got an area up there with a nice awning that you definitely need to replace at some point, but I can see the right person coming here to this house and putting something like either a fire pit up there or maybe even a hot tub. So this house definitely has some pros to it, just with its open style layout and of course it being single story in the Cameron Park area. But you're gonna come in here and you're gonna have lots of room to make it your own. Definitely need some TLC. One thing that stands out to me when I come into these homes is that I like homes that are well lit, right? Homes that have really nice new can lighting that really just fills the space up with that nice lit type of energy. And this house definitely is lacking it, but it's something you can definitely improve if you become the homeowner. And that's the beautiful thing about homes here in this Cameron Park area is that you have the ability to put your own touch to it. You know, the windows here could be updated, just little things in order to make it yours. You definitely have the opportunity to do so for this price. So just under 700K, you have 4 bedrooms, 2 really huge bedrooms. You've got 3 bathrooms. You've got a nice sized garage, single story. Take advantage today. If you'd like to come and take a tour of this beautiful home and have the opportunity to live in one of Cameron Park's prime neighborhoods, reach out today, click one of the links below to get in touch with me. Let's set you up with a tour. Let's come up with a strategic plan to make buying in the greater Sacramento, El Dorado County area part of your journey for 2026. Let's get it. All right, guys, we're gonna go check out one of those large bedrooms that I talked about. Now, this is not considered the master suite, but darn it, it's big enough to be a master suite. Take a look at all the space you get in this room that is not technically the master suite. And accompanied by this room, you have a nice walkway area that leads to a walk-in closet, as well as a bathroom area that you could get from this room and through the hallway. So it's definitely a shared space, shared bathroom for this room and also the rooms down the hallway, but a nice added feature to have such a large room for a house that's under 700K. Yes, indeed. So to me, I really love single story homes, but I really love homes when you walk into and you come into two good sized rooms like so that you could either use for another living space, convert this space to an office, or of course, this space pretty much should be used as like a formal dining room or something. But I love walking into a home and you have the options of those two rooms as for like an added bonus on top of the actual living room space that's offset of the kitchen. So it's something that I like. Maybe you like it too, who knows? All right, guys, so this north view area of Cameron Park is absolutely phenomenal. It's just one of those nice, clean, suburban type feel neighborhoods without all the fluff. You can tell all the neighbors get along. You can tell they all love each other. Well, actually, I don't really know, but take a look. Just a nice, neat, cozy type neighborhood. You definitely can tell that this neighborhood definitely provides good candy on Halloween and a good holiday spirit too. It just feels like that. I'm gonna take you guys on a little spin around this neighborhood just so you guys can see what this part of Cameron Park looks like.